Content Standard B7.1.1.1. We recognize materials as important resources for providing human needs. Indicator B7.1.1.1.1. Classify materials into liquids, solids, and gases.
Let us observe the scale. You could see that the bar or the hand on the scale is at 0 gram. So we have our bottle water over here. We are going to see the mass of the bottle water. So now I place it on top on the pan of the scale. So you could realize that now the mass of the bottle water, including the container or the bottle, is 400 grams. Thank you.
A material is a substance or mixture of substances that constitutes an object. Substance. A substance is anything that can be seen, touched, or measured. Examples of materials: wood, oxygen, milk, table, chair, sand, alcohol, water vapor, palm wine, vinegar, carbon dioxide, diesel, Dettol, petrol, kerosene, gravel, soft drink, etol, lemon juice, cooking oil, soap, computer, sobolo. Characteristics of solids. 1. They cannot flow. 2. The particles of solid cannot move. 3. The particles of solids have strong intermolecular force of attraction. 4. They have definite shape. 5. They have definite or fixed volume. 6. The particles of solid are compact in nature. Characteristics of liquids. 1. They can flow. 2. The liquid takes the shape of its container. 3. The particles of liquids have medium intermolecular force of attraction. 4. They have no definite shape. 5. They have definite or fixed volume. 6. The particles of liquids are not closely packed as to solids. 7. The particles of liquids have limited freedom in movement. Characteristics of gases. 1. They can flow. 2. Gas takes the shape of its container. 3. The particles of gases have weak intermolecular force of attraction. 4. They have no definite shape. 5. They have no definite or fixed volume. 6. The particles of gases are in random motion. 7. A gas has no surface. 8. Gases can easily be compressed. 9. The molecules or particles are widely separated from each other. Similarities between solids, liquids, and gases. 1. They have masses and weights. 2. They occupy space or have volume. 3. They contain particles.
These are the particles of liquids. They are not closely packed as compared to solids. The particles of gases are widely opened or widely separated from each other.
The particles of solids are closely in a fixed pattern due to low kinetic energy between the particles. The particles are held together by very strong bonds. The strong bonds prevent the particles from moving about freely. They can only vibrate about their mean positions. It is difficult to solid because the particles are closely packed. They maintain their because their particles cannot move about freely. This means that solids have shape and volume. The particles of liquids are not packed, but not as much solids. The particles have kinetic energy than solids because they are free to move about independently. The particles' freedom of movement are the bonds between the particles are than those in solids.
From this video, you could observe that this is an example of solid with its particles